Hi, in this video I'm going to walk through how to make the phpstorm autocomplete to start showing phpunit methods. It's a companion to the article that I've wrote, and you can access it by going to qsandbox.com/729. Basically, we want the IDE to start showing those suggestions such as assert equals or string contains or array has key. It's very convenient rather than having to go to the documentation. And I did some Googling and I've noticed that this was discussed in one of the Stack Overflow's forums, and you can check it out if you want. But basically what you want to do is copy the PHP unit var file into the project. I've copied it into the vendor folder, that's in case you're using Composer, but regardless, you should have it somewhere in the project. I don't recommend that you ship that file with your project. I believe that was in the recommendation of the creator of PHP unit. For development purposes, it's good to have it somewhere. And you have to make sure that the file that PHP unit is not excluded. That one of the users did that and was wondering why the phpstorm wasn't indexing it. So to recap, just copy or download the file, the PHP unit var file into your project folder, and maybe you can restart your IDE. What I had to do is right click on the folder that I pasted in and then clicked on reload from disk. Quickly switch. I copied it into my vendor folder right here, and I did right click and reload from disk, and within several seconds the IDE started suggesting the methods to assert something, and it's so convenient. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe. And to get to this article, you need to go to qsandbox.com/729.